How to fix Instagram Reels not showing on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram Reels not showing on Android phone. It's easy, just open settings and then click apps and then apps again and, and now click Instagram, open storage, just click clear cache and then click permissions, enable storage. Maybe you will find it like that. Enable it and then just if that doesn't fix your problem, just go back to data usage and enable Wi-Fi if you found it like that, and that's it. And then just restart your phone and your problem will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.